welcome to a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and stay tuned for more. So basically today I had a small problem which I decided to fix myself. Water tank that you put the coolant in, or some people use water, it's broken. So it's broken on the sides. When I put water in and it becomes so hot, it just starts. Yeah, I installed it. I already removed it. So me installing it, you can just reverse engineer that and then learn how to take it off. It's very easy, I think. Other thing is you have to make sure the car is really cool, because if it's hot and you open that, it's gonna go in your face. So stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoy. This part of the water tank broke, and like when it became hot, water was just seeping out. Like it was so bad, so I had to change it. And so basically, in getting this out, you have to unhook these. I've already done it. Unbolt those, one there, and there's another one right there. You unplug this, and then there's one more at the bottom, and you get it out. You do that, and you're putting it back, you do the same thing. Hey, Mr. Drona! Yes, he gave us some revs. Came here to eat, and then my boy pulled up in the 340, the G20 3 Series. Crazy. You say what?
Propose this machine this week.
You did my vlog inside.
Why? It's a full vlog.
It's a full vlog.
I'm
bro.
HPK. Charlie, the car smells nice.
Smells.
Are you filming me?
I'm filming.
Why are
you
you filming
Because you are.
me?
I'm a filmologist. We came to eat at Subbox. Had a good time.
So this.
No, but see, I think I should park by you.
Oh yeah.
I
That
should
would be
park
such
by
a good
you.
picture.
Let me do it. Let me.
Before you move, give me some revs, yeah?
Before you.
This literally just pulled
That is
us
why
up.
he's here.
This sounds really good. This sounds really good. Bro, thanks for pulling up.
Bro, no doubt, bro.
Stay
Yo,
safe.
y'all like, subscribe.
Tell
You
them.
already know the vibes, yo. It's car suspect all day.
Tell them.
It's the 340 boys. Beamer boys.
Beamer boys.
Vibes.
random meet with the VW guys. So right now they're gonna pass and watch.